Designed and engineered in Sweden, Heliospectra's industry-disrupting LED grow lights provide unprecedented efficiency, flexibility, and control, boasting the most intense, uniform light footprint on the market. Each diode in a Heliospectra grow light has a distinct optical lens, resulting in superior luminosity and uniformity. This is where other grow lights fail, and while Heliospectra truly is a substitute for 1000-watt HPS. Dr. Bruce Bugbee, one of the world's foremost experts on horticulture lighting at Utah State University, stated, "This fixture has an efficiency of 1.7 micromoles per joule, which is equal to the best LED and HPS fixtures we tested." To achieve this distinction, Heliospectra's superior engineering uses only the highest quality diodes and ultra-durable components. Choose from 3 application-specific LED arrays and 2 light footprints for optimizing your grow. Our light systems are constructed to protect against heat, humidity, dust, and other adverse conditions. From the housing made of zinc-treated powder-coated sheet metal and durable ABS plastic to the IP54 rated electronics, you can feel safe knowing that Heliospectra lights will stand up to dynamic growth environments. Our unique thermal management system uses a high-grade aluminum heat sink combined with a variable speed cooling fan rated to 70,000 hours. You can also attach the optional HVAC air duct flanges to take air handling and control to a whole new level. Remotely monitor and manage your grow light network using the built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. Use our open API to easily create custom programs and seamless integrations into third-party systems like Argus and Hugendorn controls. Best of all, through our built-in web-based control software, you can develop light recipes specific to your plants and growth environment. Optimize your grow. Maximize your investment. Heliospectra is superior engineering.